I think that one of the most house for everybody at home is definitely one of these spot cleaner that is gonna help you everywhere. These could clean everything in your house, from your carpet, some of your couches, and also you can take it to your car and make wonders with this if you have pets, if you have kids, or a messy husband or significant other. This is something that will help you. What I like about this one specifically, and that's why I picked it, is that it's more compact. We live in a small apartment, so all the storage is important for us. So we always consider that when buying something. And a long time ago, I used to have one of these ones, but we moved away and I don't know where it is anymore. So now I keep seeing parts of my house that I need to clean, and that's why I was like, this is definitely a must-have for everybody. And well, this is just a brush that has a little button over here, and then when you press it, it will spray water. That way you can be brushing while spraying the water or the liquid that you're cleaning with. And then you also are gonna absorb all the water that you just spray and clean up, and it's gonna divide the water. It has two tanks, a tank for the water with the product and also another tank to put the dirty water. That way you keep everything organized. And over here, as you can see, this one is pretty, not super long, but long enough to give you some room to move around. And also the cord, I've noticed that is also long enough. So that way you can be moving around the house. And I'm going to start with my couches, specifically the one that we put our feet on that is getting out of control. And another thing is that this one you can press the button over here, and that's how you turn it on and off. And it has everything to keep it organized with the cord. So there you go. This is actually a good price, and it doesn't ask anything more than more pricey ones. So this is a really good one to have.